एक अहम कड़ी जो नेपाल के क्रिकेट को आगे लेके जाएगी, उनकी कंसिस्टेंट परफॉर्मेंसेस ऑन द फील्ड। एक चीज मानिए, 1983 में जिस दिन से इंडियन क्रिकेट ने वर्ल्ड कप जीता था, उसके बाद इंडिया कभी पीछे मुड़ के देखा ही नहीं। तो हमको भी वो ट्रिगर वेव मोमेंट चाहिए। तो बैक टू बैक वर्ल्ड कप अपीयरेंसेस आसान बात नहीं है आवाज। आपको भी पता है, सबको पता है, जो आपको प्रोसेस से जाना होता है ना, वो रीजनल क्वालिफायर, सब रीजनल क्वालिफायर्स, वो एक बहुत बहुत डिफिकल्ट फेज होता है।
फेरि पनि नमस्कार सबैजनालाई। आज नयाँ ठाउँ र नयाँ गेस्टसँग हामी आइसकेका छौँ। सो हामीसँग हुनुहुन्छ नेपालका एक चिर परिचित व्यक्ति मिखाइल वासवानीजी। फर्स्ट अफ अल लेट मी वेलकम यू मिखाइल, वेलकम।
Namaste Avash, namaste to Nepal as well, and welcome once again to all of you all to Mumbai, Avash.
थ्याङ्क यू सो मच। र धेरैजनाले चिनिसक्नुभयो होला, नेपाल प्रिमियर लिगको सिजन 1 र सिजन 2 मा उहाँ हामीसँग कमेन्टेटरको रूपमा आबद्ध हुनुहुन्थ्यो भने दोस्रो सिजनमा नेपालीहरूको अलिक बढी माया पनि पाउनु भएको छ र नेपालको बारे भिडियोहरू पनि बनाइरहने गर्नुहुन्छ, कन्टेन्टहरू पनि हामीले उहाँको धेरै देख्न पाएका छौँ। भने उहाँको बोली र उहाँको जुन तरिका छ, स्टाइल छ, एकदमै मन छुने छ र मुम्बई आएपछि उहाँलाई नभेट्ने त हुँदैन। हामीले उहाँसँग पडकास्ट पनि गरेका थियौँ। अब धेरै कुरा नगरिकन लेट्स डाइभ इन्टु द टपिक।
Totally.
It's such a beautiful place. Andheri West, this is Lokhandwala.
Yeah, you get it right. This is where I reside. This is where my academy is, the one behind over here. But yeah, close to cricket, and we have a couple of gardens like this, you know, that everybody comes and relaxes Avas. We talk cricket like चाय पे चर्चा, तो गार्डन में बैठ के हम लोग क्रिकेट बात कर लेते हैं।
हिंदी में बात करेंगे अब।
हाँ जी।
सो धेरै नेपालीलाई लोखण्डवाला भनेपछि चाहिँ सुट आउट एट लोखण्डवाला मुभी पनि थाहा हुन्छ होला।
Only love, no shootout.
No shootout, yes. So the last time I came way back in 2008 maybe. So we were taken for a sightseeing और हमको वो क्या बोले थे कि हम पूछ रहे थे वो लोकेशन किधर है, तो वो बोले it has already been the real building or it has been demolished.
वो मेरे घर के बड़े नजदीक है।
अच्छा।
मैं 3rd क्रॉस लेन में रहता हूँ, वो 2nd क्रॉस लेन में हादसा हुआ था। और वो टाइम पे मैं मुंबई में नहीं था। लेकिन मेरे जो दोस्त थे अभी, उनके घर के बहुत बगल में हुआ था, तो उन्होंने मेरे को सारी कहानियां बताई थी, क्या हुआ था, कैसे हुआ था। या इट वाज अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट सीन एट दैट पॉइंट इन टाइम, बट इट मूव्ड ऑन फ्रॉम देयर, एंड उसके बाद मूवी बनी और सबको पता पड़ा क्या हुआ।
लोखंडवाला भी पता लगा।
लोखंडवाला पता, हम भी थोड़े फेमस हो गए लोखंडवाला के चलते। शूट आउट इन लोखंडवाला, देन आवाज इन लोखंडवाला नाउ।
आई लाइक दिस। सो अघि उहाँले भने जस्तै पछाडि जुन बच्चाहरू खेलिरहेको छ, देयर इज अ क्रिकेट एकाडेमी। हामी यसमा अहिले एउटा BTS पनि हालौँला। सो इट इज वी क्यान कल इट योर ब्रेन चाइल्ड, द एकेडमी।
हाँ, 10 साल हो गए अभी। 2015 में स्टार्ट किया था। देखिए, जिनको क्रिकेट से लगाव है, प्यार है, वो क्रिकेट के साथ जुड़ना चाहते, कुछ ना कुछ करना चाहते। मैं भी क्रिकेट खेल चुका हूँ प्रोफेशनल लेवल पे, तो मैंने भी सोचा मैं कुछ करूँ, बच्चों के साथ रहूँ। एंड टुडे आई लिव माई ड्रीम इन देयर लाइफ। आई फ्यूल देयर एम्बिशंस। मैं उनके साथ रहता हूँ तो चीज़ें होती रहती है, बच्चों को सिखाता हूँ, बच्चों के साथ रहता हूँ, कहानियाँ बताता हूँ नेपाल क्रिकेट के बारे में, इंडियन क्रिकेट के बारे में, क्रिकेटर्स के बारे में। अभी एक लड़का आया था, बच्चा अपना, वो बोला वो नेपाल के आरिश शेख को जानता है।
He's watched all the games, सब गेम
से। तो देखो, इंडिया में नेपाल जैसा क्रेज है, प्यार और लगाव बहुत है क्रिकेट के साथ।
सो लेट्स जस्ट टच, थोड़ा छू लेते हैं। आपको 2 NPL का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा लगा?
देखिए, मैं आपको एक चीज़ बताना चाहूँगा, जो सीख मिली है मुझे नेपाल से, वो एक बहुत ही खास सीख है। जो रिस्पेक्ट लोग वहाँ देते एक दूसरे को, वो अलग है। मैं आपको सिखा देता हूँ मैं क्या सीखा हूँ नेपाल में। जब पहले कोई मिलता है किसी से ना, ऐसे करके मिलते हैं, और जब शेक हैंड करते ना, एक हाथ इधर और एक हाथ इधर, ऐसे कर दे। मैं ये सीख लेके इंडिया आया हूँ। अब मैं जब लोगों से मिलता हूँ, या मैं वही करता हूँ। तो आपने कहा कि मैंने 1 और 2 से क्या सीखा, मैंने एक तहजीब सीखी है, मैंने एक रिस्पेक्ट सीखा है, मैंने प्यार सीखा है, जो मैंने नेपाल से सीखा है।
ब्यूटीफुल, थैंक यू।
On behalf of all the Nepal,
I'd like to thank you. सो आपने अभी देखा भी होगा, क्रेज बहुत है यहाँ, मुंबई तक लोग आए हैं, और स्टेडियम सुना है कि फर्स्ट गेम में, इंग्लैंड के गेम में करीबन 22,000 सीट्स फुल हो चुकी थी। स्टेडियम कैपेसिटी का almost 60% है वो। तो कैन यू टेल अस द क्रेज, बिकॉज यू कम फ्रॉम अ कंट्री दैट्स अ फुल मेंबर नेशन, लेकिन नेपाली क्रिकेट we're still an associate nation. So what do you say about the craze, people traveling all the way from parts of Nepal and India to watch Nepal play?
Firstly, I'll just try to get it right over here. ये full member nation, ये associate nation, I would not want to bring into discussion. We are a cricket playing nation. be it India or be it Nepal. I look at it this way for the kind of cricket Nepal played in their first game. That associate is a great thing to be in. You know, they're going through that entire process and making it big. But Nepal is a very strong cricket playing nation with a good cricket culture. We talk about what we saw in the stadium, you say 20-25,000. पर आपको पता है वो मैच के बाद जब मरीन ड्राइव में पूरा वो कवर हो जाता है, वो क्वींस नेकलेस नहीं दिखाई देता, वो नेपाल्स नेकलेस दिखाई देता है मुझे. वो जो फ्लैग के साथ सारे फैंस बैठते हैं, सनसेट देखते हैं, हवा आती है और सब अपने में मंद, अपने में खुशी से चलते रहते हैं. Whether win or loss, Nepal always tries to find a way to remain positive and the vibe is good. दूसरे मैच के बाद मैं चल रहा था उधर मरीन ड्राइव में और मैंने जो माहौल देखा वो बहुत ही अच्छा था. I did see the crowd come in, I did see the flag unfurl in the ground, I did see the national anthem play out, and I did see the crowd standing up and celebrating. They were doing it with a lot of gusto and a lot of happiness. देखिए energy, vibe, NPL का हो या नेपाल क्रिकेट फैंस का नेपाल के क्रिकेट मैच में हो, it remains unmatched and it's got its own vibe and own feeling that not many countries can match. Avash.
Well, beautifully said again. So थोड़ा journey से आते हैं because before coming into the World Cup, you were there in Nepal doing NPL, right? You saw the players. Compared to other teams, or let's just talk about Nepali players. आपको क्या लगता है कितना talent है इस team में, players में individually?
See, I was never in doubt that Nepal will create ripples and waves in this World Cup. I was never in doubt about it. But there's a saying in English that consistency leads to greatness. Now what happens is sport is cruel, Avash. You're best remembered by your last performance, they say. So it's very important for teams to just remain consistent at this level. Because what you do is when you play a big game and a good game and a high game and a performance game, you've raised your bar as a team. What you do with that is you raise the expectations as well. So then this has to keep going. Suddenly you drop, the expectations fall. So that's why sport is all about consistency. I still believe Nepal had an off day the other day. Just don't look at the Italy game and let's just live in that world where you've just finished playing against England. How would our discussion and mood been, Avash?
True.
We would have said, wow, yeah. But because we had an off day against Italy, once again there's a bit of doubt. But that's fairly understandable for a team that's getting into this kind of a competition. Even they are in a learning curve. So I'm not reading too much into it. I want to believe there's quality in the Nepal cricket team. There's talent in the Nepal cricket team. All they need to do is just match it with consistency, which will happen.
So, talking about the first game against England, right? What do you make out of it? आपको क्या लगता था game के बाद कि that was did Nepal play more than expected और इतना तो खेलना चाहिए था, खेल लिया, क्या लगता है?
See, best part about Nepal coming into this particular tournament is they are unknown commodities. So they'll always bring out surprises because not many people know about the kind of versatility and talent. I mean, आपने देखा, मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया था, आपने जोफ्रा आर्चर का चेहरा देखा था, उसके 12 बज गए थे. आपने आदिल रशीद का रिएक्शंस देखा था, उसको पता नहीं था एडी को कहाँ बॉलिंग डाले, वो ऐसा कर रहा था. मतलब when you're acknowledging in that manner, you're literally been shaken and stirred. I was not surprised क्योंकि लोगों ने देखा नहीं इन प्लेयरों को और वो वर्ल्ड स्टेज पे नेपाल ने अनाउंस कर दिया कि भाई we are no pushovers. We come with a set of skills and quality. The whole world of they had taking a bow saying, बॉस नेपाल के क्रिकेट कल्चर में कुछ तो बात है. डेल स्टेन ट्वीट कर रहा है, युवराज ट्वीट कर रहा है. बट वही है, जब आप इतना कुछ एडुलेशन, एप्रिसिएशन एंड अपलॉज ड्रॉ कर चुके हैं, वो मुकाम पे जब आप आ चुके हैं तो वो मेंटेन करना is going to be a big ask from the Nepal team.
So, did you feel that the players got carried away in the second game?
No, I mean, they're all athletes. They're all professionals. They've been there, done that. It's not about the occasion. Their second consecutive World Cup. Off days hota hai. Sometimes you come out, the energy remains a little flat. You may just not get things going. Yeah, it was not the best of outings. 10-wicket win there for Italy. Their historic first T20 World Cup win. It was their day. They got everything right. Yeah, but you know, I just feel Nepal needs to recover quickly. How they recovered from that 4-run loss to England, come back for the next game, they need to recover from this and move on to the next. There's still some life in this tournament, knowing the way the matches are playing out.
Now, you've seen England play, you've seen West Indies play, right? But before that, I want to talk to you about Italy. क्योंकि Italy वर्ल्ड कप तक पहुंचना इट्स नॉट अ जोक और एनी टीम जस्ट बाय एनी lucky factor they don't get to the World Cup. Italy is also a very strong team, right?
Yeah, they come from the Europe qualifiers, and in fact, I was doing one of the CWC league games, the 50-over games in Hong Kong. I saw the team. They won the series. They won the title. They lifted the title over there. I always knew they were a good side, and they've been the story of this T20 World Cup because for their first ever World Cup qualification and now their first ever win. Every team goes through the high. I would want to believe they're a quality side. They have a lot of players who come with some cricketing lineage and background, so that helps their cause. But having said that, I just felt that they were a better side on display. We've got to congratulate them. And they just outplayed, outclassed and outsmarted Nepal that day. Let's be very honest about it.
So let's just walk. Let's also go around your academy. I think the boys are done. Boys and the girls are done.
Yes,
it's good to see female cricketers here too. It's really nice.
Yeah, I know. We would like to believe in the same, inclusivity, visibility, and equality of women's cricket, which the way it's going right now in ICC and BCCI. The girls' teams in Mumbai are very strong and fierce. The girls from our academy are doing extremely well. They're going and playing some top-level cricket. So, bye. See you. I'll see you. Coming tomorrow? Coming tomorrow? Tomorrow Saturday. Okay. Sunday. Okay. Aish. Okay. Good luck. All the best. Yeah, one of my students, he's doing really well. Scored a couple of centuries. Krish, another talented boy. So, yeah, this is my academy in a nice little garden place in Lokhandwala, Andheri. It's a lovely place. We have lovely turf pitches. I come, I spend time with the kids over here. I just try to give them the drills. Yeah, so yeah, I mean, it's good. Good to see a mix of girls and boys. And it's always been like that. In fact, the girls play with the boys in the same team. And I told them that it's all one. I don't see you as a girl or boy. You're all playing 11. Go and perform.
Okay. Now getting back to cricket itself, we're talking about the infrastructure now. Now let's get to the World Cup again.
Yeah.
So World Cup, when you talk about it, there are teams like Nepal, there are teams like Italy, right? What do these teams bring to the game itself?
It's a very good question you've asked. What they really bring is they bring a wider participation of teams, just making it a bit more globally. The global imprint of cricket now gets bigger and wider, and that's the key. You've got to make cricket played in almost all the countries to make it a very strong, sporting property. Now 103 to 108 cricket nations now under the ICC umbrella that come through. 20 right now. We've seen the Women's World Cup now is an expanded again 12 teams, sorry, beg your pardon. I was just in the ICC World Cup Women's Qualifiers.
You're there in Nepal?
Yeah, I was there. So good to see an expanded one that will happen in England and Wales. What it does is it just gives everybody an opportunity to come and get closer to the sport, and ICC as a sporting and a governing body is in the right direction to just get that sport amplified across newer countries and give everybody an opportunity to play the sport.
Coming back now for Nepal, the equation is simple. We have to get win in next 2 games for Nepal, right?
That's a non-negotiable, Avash. I mean, you have to win.
Karo ya maro.
No daro.
No daro. I like that. Right? So let's talk West Indies. The way they played against England, I saw it more like a statement that West Indies has arrived and they are playing like the champions they used to be.
Yes, they come with that flair. And they're unafraid, they just play that brand of cricket. I just feel somehow Nepal, the way they played against England and the way they played against Italy, I felt Nepal was a bit more fearless against England and a bit more conscious against Italy. It came across as that. I could be entirely wrong. Nepal needs to be the same fearless side because the world is already scared of them after what they did to England. So the cricket world is saying we can't take Nepal lightly. Against West Indies, they have to go all out. Nothing to lose. Nothing to lose. All to gain.
Because a lot of people might think that Nepal defeated West Indies 2-1 in the series that was played in a neutral venue, Dubai. So, but almost only 2 players are the same that played in that tournament. And this time they come out with that hunger and that West Indian spirit that they carry, the legacy they carry, the history they carry. Will that make an impact on the field, Mikhail?
See, a win is a win. Okay? Last series between West Indies and Nepal, who won? Nepal won. Nepal has the wood on West Indies in recent times. I'll stick to that as inspiration. I'll put that record in my dressing room. 2-1 Nepal. They won the first 2 matches and then the last one they lost. Murtel got his leg spinners going. So I want to believe Nepal has to believe from here on. They've beaten them, they can beat them again. I don't care who comes in, who goes out. I don't care. I have beaten West Indies.
True.
I have beaten a full member nation. A lot of cricket they say today is about skill set, but at this level it's about mindset. And this is where I feel a lot of battles are won and lost, Awash. And I'm really backing Nepal over here. We need to get going with the remaining two teams, West Indies and Scotland.
I want to talk about Italy, that the way they performed against Nepal. Actually, it was what Nepalese thought. We thought was we are going to be ruthless, but it was them going ruthless.
Yeah.
It was a 10-wicket win.
They came
right?
out of syllabus. Huh?
Yeah. Can we call that game a bad day at the office? कभी कभी होता है ऐसा?
Okay, देखिए, I don't know, but for all of you all who've played cricket, some days you'll walk onto the field, walk into the field, you just don't feel that you have the energy, or it can happen. So don't be too severe on this team. Okay? But I knew of Italy, like I told you, I covered them. They were a good side. They came in with their plans. In fact, with the off-spinner bowling 3 overs in the power play and giving away 8 runs, I just feel an off-spinner controlling a game so much in T20 cricket, particularly in power plays, I've never seen it. Just one of those days where probably everything went to hand or the ball didn't meet the middle of the bat there for Nepal. But how you come out of that, how you recover, and how you put that behind and come back in the next game. See, every day is a new day. They may have got out from the wrong side of the bed against Italy, but they can get out from the right side of the bed against West Indies. And trust me, you can only rule out Nepal at your peril, because they will always come back to surprise you. And that's the खासियत बोलते ना, नेपाल की खासियत यही है. आपको पता नहीं कौन सा नेपाल आपको आके मार देगा.
So there's a possibility that England might go down because they've never been good with European teams when it comes to the World Cups. They have a history against Scotland too, right? So I think amongst all groups, do you feel this group C, is more getting interesting, and especially it's a David versus Goliath against West Indies, but if we manage to ace that out, it's gonna be game on for Nepal.
Yeah, see, like I told you, you'll have lost 2 matches. So you'll have seen the down. So if I have to really look at things forward, I can only see us going up. God, it's all about mindset, how you look at things. If you just go back and say, oh, we've lost 2, we're playing West Indies, oh, looks very difficult, then you're already having a defeatist thought in your mind. Nepal doesn't function that way, I know the boys. They'll be hurting. And it's very important this Nepal team is hurting right now. Because this hurting only will work as an inspirational kick. And you spoke about this group, the other group as well, where you have Afghanistan, South Africa and New Zealand. That also is turning out to be an interesting one. But of course, that match with South Africa 1 over Afghanistan has now made a bit of more clarity with Afghanistan now missing out. So yeah, this again, if Nepal brings 1 up against West Indies, game on, boss. There's suddenly a lot of movement in that entire group. And then you can feel everyone's in, everyone is out. It's going to be fun.
Now, talking about teams like Nepal, Ireland have been given a bigger budget than other member nations in terms of revenue, right? So when you talk about Nepal, especially for the past few years, we played the Asia Cup, we played the World Cup previously, and back to back we're playing it again. So क्या ये नेपाल का progress नहीं दिखाता है?
See, Nepal now hosted the first women's global qualifiers. I believe the CWC League also now in the coming month is happening in Nepal again. Some things are planned in 2027. I just feel things are heading in the right direction for Nepal. Remember one thing, when does a country start to believe in a concept? When that concept is giving results. Nepal's men's teams is winning. And that's why the country is coming together. Nobody comes together for a loss. When somebody loses, when a team is losing, you see people start leaving the stadium immediately.
True.
But when a team is winning at the last, everybody comes right ahead. Just to be part of that winning. Kaise? So now you see Nepal's, through the years, the rise is very, very, clear. And that's helping the cause for everyone in the system and out of the system to believe that we are creating a very strong model over here. And that's, I keep saying, the pyramid-like model. Strong at the base, you have your PM Cup, your Jai Trophy, you have all of that, and then you're peaking with the NPL and then the 2 consecutive World Cup appearances. So look at the recipe of success over here. It's all the ingredients are coming together. I'd want to believe ICC, even for that matter, I believe the BCCI has a lot of belief and faith in Chatur Bahadur Chand, Paras Khadka and Vinod Das's vision and plans and Can's plans as well. And I'll not be surprised if Nepal in the coming years will be looked upon as a very strong cricketing property and teams will be coming into play. You'll have a world-class facility now. You'll have lights in place. So 2026 onwards, Nepal cricketing futuristic map looks very, very upbeat, Avash.
Now, talking about teams coming in, recently after the England game, it was said, even Andrew told us in the previous interview that there will be some kind of tournaments in Nepal where England might come in.
Absolutely.
I think that's going to open, if England comes in, it is going to be big. बड़ा होने वाला है, लेकिन वो भी तो लाएगा ना, एक वेव लाएगा दूसरे टीम्स को आने के लिए.
देखिए, मैंने पढ़ा था वो इंग्लैंड के मैच के बाद लिखा हुआ था कि बीबीएल ने कहा कि वी वांट फॉर द वार्म अप्स ऑफ द प्रैक्टिस मैचेस वी वांट द नेपाल टीम टू कम विद द बीबीएल टीम्स. देखिए, दीज आर ऑल जेन्युइन बजेस हैपनिंग अराउंड द क्रिकेटिंग वर्ल्ड. I mean, England, why not? They've been shaken and stirred in their first game of theirs, and they've been told by Nepal, listen, it doesn't matter where you come from. On the given day, we just lost by 4 runs. We would have put it past you. तो आपको ये समझना पड़ेगा कि नेपाल क्रिकेट अब जिस दौर से गुजर रहा है, प्रॉबेबली उनके क्रिकेटिंग फेस का वन ऑफ द बेस्ट दौर है और द बेस्ट दौर है. और आपके पास लोग जो है ना, उनका दिल और दिमाग राइट डायरेक्शन में और सही जगह में है, वो बहुत मैटर करता है. बट इन ऑल ऑफ व्हाट वी से, एक अहम कड़ी जो नेपाल के क्रिकेट को आगे लेके जाएगी, उनकी कंसिस्टेंट परफॉर्मेंसेस ऑन द फील्ड. एक चीज मानिए, 1983 में जिस दिन से इंडियन क्रिकेट ने वर्ल्ड कप जीता था, उसके बाद इंडिया का भी पीछे मुड़ के देखा ही नहीं. तो हमको भी वो ट्रिगर वेव मोमेंट चाहिए. टू बैक वर्ल्ड कप अपीयरेंसेस आसान बात नहीं है आवाज. आपको भी पता है, सबको पता है, जो आपको प्रोसेस से जाना होता है ना, वो रीजनल क्वालिफायर, सब रीजनल क्वालिफायर्स, वो एक बहुत बहुत डिफिकल्ट फेज होता है. तो देखिए, सब लोगों ने बहुत कुछ साथ दिया है. मोंटी देसाई आए थे, उन्होंने बहुत कुछ किया. स्टुअर्ट लॉ आए हैं. सब लोग अपने एंड से आके नेपाल क्रिकेट में बिलीफ रख के जा रहे हैं और प्लेयर्स रिस्पॉन्ड भी कर रहे हैं. पर अभी समय आ गया, नेपाल ने इंग्लैंड के बाद दिखा दिया कि हम कुछ है, वो कुछ है को उनको आगे लेके जाना है अभी बस.
Okay, so at the end, Nepal 2 games to go. What do you think will be the results?
2 out of 2. Got to hope, got to look at things like that.
Yeah.
Can't be circumspect, tentative. 2 out of 2, non-negotiable. एक ट्राई मारेंगे. I don't mind losing if I go down fighting. देखिए, वो एक चीज है. अच्छा, अभी इंग्लैंड के बाद वो हार में भी मैंने कहा वो जीत है. आपने कहा, और पहचान उन्होंने हार से बनाई और जीत से नहीं बनाई नेपाल ने. और एक चीज, एक बात मानिए आप, किस्मत की एक बड़ी खूबसूरत बात है मेरे दोस्त, बदलती जरूर है.
True.
मैं इस पे हमेशा चलता हूँ. मैं मानता हूँ कि नेपाल की किस्मत अच्छी हो जाएगी अगर वो प्रोसेस और हार्डवर्क रख के चलेंगे. देखिए, सब समय समय का खेल है. लेट्स नॉट बी हार्ड ऑन द टीम. बहुत कुछ सैक्रिफाइसेस प्लेयर्स करते हैं. वी शुड नॉट बी क्रिटिकल. कंस्ट्रक्टिव फीडबैक थोड़ा बहुत चल जाएगा. लेकिन नेपाल जैसे फैंस मैंने आज तक नहीं देखे. डिस्पाइट द लॉस, सब लोग फिर भी अपने चेहरे पे एक मुस्कान रखते हैं. वो मुस्कान और होप ना इन क्रिकेटरों को आगे लेके जाएगा. इनको खेलने दो, इनको एक्सप्रेस करने दो. और नेपाल 2 out of 2 फिर से मिलेंगे, फिर से वीडियो करेंगे, फिर से बात करेंगे. आवाज,
अगर 2 out of 2 हुआ तो स्टेडियम में ही बात करेंगे. स्कॉटलैंड की गेम की बात
बताना चाहूंगा. मैं आवाज से मिला NPL 2 में, बहुत मजा आया. एक छोटी सी मुलाकात हुई और फिर पॉडकास्ट में आ गया. और उनके साथ जब भी बातचीत करता हूँ तो पॉडकास्ट लगता नहीं है. ऐसा लगता है कि 2 दोस्त बहुत दिन बाद मिल रहे और एक चाय पे चर्चा हो रही है. और हमेशा नेपाल क्रिकेट के बारे में हम लोग बात करते हैं. ग्रेट पॉडकास्टर, great professional, great individual, and a very hard-working boy. I guess that's what sums it up for any Nepali as well. So thanks, Avash. It's wonderful as always.
Thank you so much for your golden words. अर्को कुरा के भने, when I was planning to come here, जब म यहाँ आउन प्लान गरिरहेको थिएँ, सो मिखाइल दाईसँग नै कुरा गरेर मैले धेरै कुराहरू, कन्टेन्टहरू पनि प्लान गरेको. उहाँले मलाई धेरै कन्टेन्ट आइडियाज दिनुभयो. अनि मैले भनेको थिएँ एक पोइन्टमा स्पोन्सर्सको अलिकति अप्ठ्यारो भइरहेको थियो, बट उहाँले मलाई सिकाउनु कुरा भएको कुरा, अघि लाइफ चेन्ज होती है भन्ने कुरा मैले पनि लिएको थिएँ. अनि एन्डसम्म मैले हार नमाने हो. त्यही भएर आज हामी मुम्बईमा छौँ. दाइकै एकाडेमीमा मजाले एकदम आउने रहर थियो. आई रियली वान्टेड टु कम हियर बिकज आई टोल्ड यु राइट,
I all should actually pad up and they all should play.
That's why Prithvi is also here.
क्या पता नेक्स्ट गेम में आवाज को बुला लेंगे.
मेरा तो ये है भाई. एक 2 विकेट में भी चक्का लूंगा ना. ऑलराइट, आवाज की मेरे रिमेंबर द नेम बोलेंगे ना वेस्ट इंडीज के अगेंस्ट.
But CR7 celebration.
Hey, thank you so much, brother.
It's a pleasure and honor to be on your podcast as always. Congratulations and good luck for the remaining 2 games, Nepal.
Thank you. Bye bye.